Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by hills, lived a 16-year-old boy named Arav. Arav was quiet, curious, and full of dreams. But his village was poor, and most people thought dreams were useless. Every day, Arav would look at the distant mountain and wonder, what's on the other side? People laughed when he said he wanted to climb it. They said, it's too big for you, and you're just a village boy. But Arav believed in something they didn't, the power of one small step. One morning, before the sun rose, Arav packed a small bag with water and bread. He left a note for his parents and quietly stepped out. His heart was beating fast. It was scary, but also exciting. With one deep breath, he took his first step toward the mountain. That step was small, but it changed everything. The road was rough, and his feet hurt. He slipped, he fell, but he got up every time. With each step, he became stronger, not just in body, but in mind. On the way, he met a shepherd. The shepherd said, "Many have tried to climb this mountain, but they gave up." Arav replied, "I won't give up, even if I go slow." The shepherd gave him a walking stick and smiled, "Then you'll go far." As days passed, the mountain became steeper. It rained. Arav got wet and cold. He had no dry clothes, but he kept walking. His bread finished. His water ran out. He was hungry and tired. But he remembered why he started, to discover what's beyond. At one point, he thought of turning back. But he said to himself, "If I stop now, I'll never know." He looked back, he had come so far. He smiled, wiped his tears, and took another step. Each step was now a victory. On his way, he met an old monk meditating under a tree. The monk opened his eyes and said, "Why do you climb, child?" Arav said, "To find what's on the other side." The monk replied, "What's inside you is more important than what's outside." Arav didn't understand then, but he thanked the monk. As he walked further, he began to notice beauty, birds, rivers, trees. His mind became calmer. He started thinking clearly. He realized the journey was changing him. He was no longer scared. The mountain didn't seem that big now. After weeks of walking, climbing, and surviving, he reached the top. The view was breathtaking. He could see his village from there, so small, yet so special. He looked beyond the mountain and saw a big city far away. But now, he smiled. He didn't rush to go there. He sat down and said, "I did it. I took that one step." It wasn't just about reaching the top. It was about becoming someone new. He understood what the monk said, the journey made him stronger inside. Now he knew, every great journey really does start with a single step. Friends, like Arav, you too may have a dream. People may laugh at you or say you can't do it. But remember, you don't need to reach the top in one day. Just take one step, that's all. One small step can change your life. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't be afraid of failure. Every great person you admire started with one small action. Even if you go slow, even if you fall, just get back up. The journey will shape you. You will become wiser, stronger, and more confident. Don't compare your path with others. Everyone climbs their own mountain. Keep going, even if it's tough. Because the top is worth it. And when you look back, you'll be proud. Like Arav, you'll say, "I did it. I started with one step." So what's stopping you? Take that first step today, because your great journey begins now.